Hello again. Just a note, I published a TDD version of Day 4 today on my YouTube channel, so feel free to give that a watch as an alternative to see how to do these kinds of problems. And now for Day 7. You can hear birds chirping and raindrops hitting leaves. Okay, system update, blah, blah, no space. Perception deletes some files. This is my puzzle input. Okay, this is my puzzle input. So situation, say the resulting terminal output. File system consists of a tree of files, directories, containing the directories, outermost directories called slash. You can navigate around the file system, moving in and around the directories. The terminal output lines that begin with blah are commands that you executed, very much like some modern computers. CD is change directory. Ls means list. Okay, sure. And we've got dir or a number. A dir or a number, okay. Given the commands in the output above, you can determine the file system looks virtually like this. Here are 4 directories, blah, A, D, and E, which is an A. These directories also contain various systems. Just follow your first step. You're probably to find directories that are good candidates for deletion. You determine the total size of each directory. Total size of directories is some of the sizes of the files it contains directly or indirectly. Okay. Sure. And find all the directories the total size of at most 100,000, then calculate the sum of their total sizes. In the example above, these would be A and E. Sum of their totals 95,437. In this example, this process can count files more than once. Find all the directories of the most 100,000. What is the sum of the total directories? Okay, so we basically have to parse input, right? We need to keep track of where we are. We need to find, for commands, there's list and CD is the only commands we care about. Dot goes up, right? Slash is where we start, sure. Let's take a quick look at the real puzzle input. See if there's anything crazy going on here. Let's find CD slash, only one. So the only time you'll ever see slash is at the beginning. Okay, that's fine. Right. So we need to keep basically a hierarchy of stuff, right? We need to know what's where. Is the hierarchy actually important? Probably not. I don't know. What is the answer to this? It is probably a hierarchy. All right, so let's create some structures here. All right, so let's say we have a record. We're going to say let's see, we need like a list of string subfolders, and then we need your name, your subfolders, and file sizes. That's probably good enough, right? So we need to call this, let's call this a folder, all right? And then we're going to start with folders. It's going to be a new directory, a dictionary, string folder. I guess, yeah, we'll keep the name there anyway, right? So we'll say the root is a new folder slash new list, and then the file sizes will be 0. Folders sub slash is the root. We also need to know where we are as we're walking this list. So we'll start nowhere, and then we'll walk instruction and data. So we'll walk this. Let's see. If instruction starts with CD, else if instruction starts with ls, right? That's it. Those are only commands, right? CD and ls, CD and ls. Okay, good. So here's the instruction. So if we use CD, we're going to say, let's see, var new folder is instruction substring 3. If new folder is just slash, then current is slash. Otherwise, current, let's see, else if the new folder is ... right? We have to figure that out. Otherwise, the current is current plus equals slash plus new folder. We can use, actually we can use the path system. Yeah, we can use the path system here. So we don't actually need to do this. What we'll do then is we'll say, right, we'll do path combine, current and a new folder. And then we're going to replace the backslashes with forward slashes, just in case. And actually, even that is okay. And we'll just say we start in slash. Let's see, we'll call this current path, and then current folder is, we'll do a default folder, right? And then we'll say if not folders.try get value for the current path, out current folder, then and the current folder you can actually start with root. You don't have to start with the default. So if we don't have one of those, then current folder is a new folder with the current path and empty subfolders and empty file sizes. Totally fine. Okay. And then you get put in the folders list. Folders current path is equal to current folder. I didn't see anything about case sensitivity. I'm going to assume things are case sensitive unless things go really weirdly sideways. Everything here looks, sure. All right. So if that is that, otherwise, if instruction starts with dir, otherwise if instruction starts with, let's see, otherwise it's just going to be a file with a size, right? Okay, so for ls, we actually don't care because it's just ls. There's no parameters to ls that we can see. So if you're ls, we actually don't care. Do nothing. All right, do nothing. If you're a directory, then we're going to say current folder. Let's see, we're going to say var new directory name is instruction substring 4 current folder subfolders add new dir name. Right, I don't even know that we need to keep track of that. but it'll be there. Otherwise, we've got a size, right? So then we're going to say, we're going to do size is long parse instruction split on a space sub-0 and current folder dot file sizes plus equals the size. That should be it. Init only property. Why are you in a init only property? Oh, because your record? Oh God. Sure. Class folder. Why not? String name. Public string. You know, I try. Public string sub or public list of string subfolders. Public long file sizes. Right, and then what we'll do is to make a new one of these, we'll make you give us the name. Name is the name. We can simplify all of our news up here to just take the name because those we will have default values for. Okay. And then let's see. So subfolders is new. File sizes is 0 long. And you need to be an F, and you need to be an S. Okay. So we need to basically walk the tree and say, what is your size? So we could say public long total size, right? We can write this as a function. We can basically say, right? You just know about the folders list? Sure, whatever. Let's see. Result is file sizes. And then we'll say for each subfolder in subfolders, we will say result plus equals folders sub, nope, folders. What's wrong with you? You just don't have access to this anymore? Sure. It's great. Dictionary string folder folders. Pass in the folders of sub folder dot name. Oh, that is the name. Total size. Do I really need this? Is that a fake error? No, that's a real error. Okay. For these folders, right? Return the result. That should be fine. Right. So here we're going to want to walk the tree. Actually, we just want to, we don't have to walk the tree. We can do for each var folder in folders. We can say if folder dot total size folders dot values. If folder total size is it less than or equal? At most, so less than or equal, 100,000. Result plus equals folder dot total size. All right, and that's it. What is your problem? Oh, you need the folders. Of course you do. All right, and return the result. Let's see what happens here. Input string dollar was not in the correct format. Right. $CD, $LS. I need that. $LS, $CD. Okay, that's fine. Given key A was not present in the dictionary, so this was total size. So we'll do a try get because maybe we didn't see the folder. All right, so let's see, var, you're going to be subfolder name, subfolder, let's see, if, I want to say if folders.tryGetValue for subfolder name out var subfolder. Then we can do this, which is subfolder.totalSize. Right. Okay. 94853. 94853. 95437. So I missed the 584. How did I miss the 584? Also, how is A not in there? All right, let's start printing some stuff out here. All right, console write line changing to current path. All right. Plus equals, I see what I did there. So changing to current path. Changing to D/D, what is all this? Taking the substring from the wrong place for sure now. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, 94853 is still wrong. Path combine, path. Oh, we need to do path.get full path on the path combine. That's why. Okay. Except no C:. Don't be dumb. Yeah, don't be dumb. Okay. A, back up, and then to D. So A, so we're there. A, E, A, up, D. Yeah, that'll make sense. Okay, so here we're going to say console.writeLine folder new dir name exists in, let's see, this in current path, right? Sure. I still don't think I actually care about this. And then we're going to take the split here, pieces. All right, you're going to do pieces sub 0. We're going to do console write line file pieces sub 1 of size exists in current path. Okay. So btext blah, 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 blah. I'm going to slide this over here, and let's go take a look at our input again and then come back. So btext of that exists in slash. Folder A exists in slash. Yes, that's right. btext is in slash, cdat is in slash, right? Because we're in slash. Makes sense. And D exists in slash. So change to A, folder E exists in A, F is there with, yeah, G is there, yeah. H is there, yeah. That all looks okay. So then let's do this here, which is total size. Let's extract this for total size. And we'll do a console write line. folder name contains contains total size bytes. All right, so that's total size, and that's total size. Okay. So slash is that, so 94, 629. 629 in A, that doesn't seem right. 94, 629 in A. All right, let's go back and look at the instructions again. So A, right here, the total directory size of E is 584. Yep. Total is A is 94, 853 because it contains F, G, H, and I indirectly. So 94, 269. So let's do a little calculator math here. Come over here. So inside of A, we have 29, 116 plus 25, 57 plus 62, 596, 94, 269. So we're not counting any of the subfolders. Oh, you know why? We're probably not correctly diving into the subfolders. Okay. Yeah, because the names are getting screwed up. Right. Let's take this out of here. So get full name from current path to, actually, here's what we really want, right? Which is when we add the folders, yeah, no, I still want to extract that. All right, so this is fine. Get full path of the current path and the new folder. All right, so I want string get full path, string base, string base folder, string sub folder. I want to do this. Just return that. Current, so base folder and subfolder, and we do some replaces. Okay, so that's get full path. So when we have a dir, I think what we want here is subfolders. The new dir name is going to be path get full, no, it's going to be, sorry, get full path of the current path and that. That way, that name goes there. So when we start trying to pull things out by name here, they should work. Okay. 95437, that looks better. 95437. 95437. Okay, that looks better. Let's go get the real puzzle input and see how we do. Okay. It's going to be this. So we'll try that for our answer. Okay, good. Part 2. Now you're ready to choose a directory to delete. Total disk space available in the file system is blah. To run the update, you need unused space of blah. You need to find the directory you can delete that will free up enough space to run the update. In the example above, total space of the outermost directory is blah. That means the size of unused could be blah. This isn't quite 300,000 requires. Therefore, the update still requires a directory to be total size of blah. Achieve this, you have the following options. Delete E, delete blah. So directories E and A are both too small. Deleting them would not free up enough space. However, directories D and slash are both big enough. Between those, choose the smallest. Total size of the outermost directory, and thus the total amount of used space. I see. So this is what we have to start with for, so total space is that, right? Target is this. Target space is this. Right, so we basically want to order these and Find the smallest directory that, if deleted, would free up enough space on the file system to run the update. What is the total size of that directory? So we basically need to hit this. Okay, so unused space is going to be root total size. All right, total space minus this. Root total size against all the folders. Console write line. Unused space is unused space. Target is target space. Need to find target space minus unused space to delete. That's what we think, right? Let's go run that with our old data, just for fun. So we need to find 838.1165. Is that what you think? 838.1165. 4838.1165. Did I just read that incorrectly? 4838.1165. Let me get rid of a bunch of the console write lines up here, because that's just enough noise. So unused space is this, total is this, need to find this to delete. What did I miss? Okay, come over here. Let's look at this again. Total disk space available to the file system is this. To run the update, you need at least this. The outermost directory is this. 48, okay, never mind. 838.1165. Yeah, I had the right number. I'm being dumb. Okay, that's fine. Delete directory E. So find the smallest one that we can delete that would give us enough space, right? So we'll do this. Okay, so that's okay. So what we want to do is target to delete is a default folder, and we'll start with the root, right? And then we'll do for each var folder in folders values. If, let's see, folder dot, let's get the total size is the folder total size, right? And if the total size is greater than or equal to the, so that's the unused space, needed space is target space minus unused space. So if the total size is greater than or equal to the needed space, and total size is less than target to delete's total size, and target to delete size, we'll just keep that there. Var target to delete size is root total size, right? And the total size is less than that. Then you're our new target to delete. Target to delete is the folder, and target to delete size is the total size. Return the target to delete name. No blah, 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 no folders. No argument given, folders. Yes, folders. I knew that. Folders, all right, let's go. So we want to delete D. That's what you're saying, basically, right? We should delete D. Okay. Let's run it with the real input. And this is going to be our target to delete is this one, right? Should be this one. Not the right answer. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full input data. Okay. That's interesting. That's not what I expected. Let's start printing some stuff up. Need to find, let's see, need to find needed space, right? Let's go back to the old data because it's going to be easier for us to deal with the old data for this. So we need to find that, right? Root is default target with size of target to delete size. Okay, so let's do this. We got lots of things. Console write line rejecting folder name because size is too small. Total size. Right? And here we're going to say console write line new target folder name. Target folder name is better than target to delete name size total size is better than the size target to delete size. So that's our new target. Otherwise, we're going to say rejected folder name size total size because it wasn't better than target to delete name size target to delete size. Okay, given our data here, what does this tell us? Okay, so we rejected this because it wasn't better than the same. We rejected A because it's too small. We rejected AE because it's too small. Ooh, new target D is better than this because of that size. That looks normal, right? So let's try our other data. So we rejected that because it's too small. Too small, too small, too small, too small. New target is better. We're looking for 8748071. So our new target is better. Our new target is better. Our new target is better. So we're basically kind of diving down. All right, I got too small. So you're not better. You're not better. And there is too small. Why don't I print them out? Why don't I print them out in order? Let's do that. Right. Let's kill this. Let's kill actually all of this. Right, for the moment. Let's just do for each var folder in folders values, order by total size, order by descending for the folders. All right, and then we'll do a console write line. Let's see, folder.total size. Let's do this. Let's do a folder values. Let's do select. All right, let's do f name f total size. folders. Order by f dot item 2. All right, we're gonna do show me f item 2 folder item 1. That should make it cheaper. What did I do wrong here? I'm missing a parenthesis. Yeah, of course. Okay. So that's that. We need to find 8748071. 87. So this is our best. This is our best one right here, right? Let's go put that in the answer. Okay, where the hell did you just go? Where the hell did you just go? And this one, right? That's not right either, huh? Did I misunderstand this? Oh no, I have that already. Let me go back to the old data. What have I done wrong here? 8381165. That was correct, right? 381165. I need to pick. Oh, I need to pick the one that's bigger. Oh my goodness. I'm dumb. Yeah, I need to pick the one that's just bigger than that. 8. So I needed to pick this. This is the one I picked last time. VWHNLP. That is almost a guaranteed what I picked last time. VWHNLP. If you're using the full input data, there's also some general tips on the about page. You can ask for hints in the subreddit. Wait one minute. Yeah, okay. There's nothing. I mean, I don't see anything weird about any of this data. The data looks pretty normal. Oh, I really don't get it. All right, now I'm gonna look at the data. I'm gonna collapse you, and I'm gonna bring my. Oh, I killed all my console write lines up here. Oh, that was dumb. Why didn't I just comment them out? Console write line. New base folder. Current path. So write line. Folder current path goes from current folder dot file sizes to so write line current folder dot file sizes. All right, let's go up to the top. Two 24312. 24312, sure. CJW, JMPF, blah blah blah. So JMPF to here, 205.103. Sure, 331.667. That's an RFB, because we went up, back up to JMPF. RFB, we go back up, down here, 175, 300,000, that looks right. 304,000, another 69,000, that looks right. We go down, we go down, we go down, we add 25,000. We go up, we go up, we go up, we go down, 57,000, 44,000, another 156,000. And then up, 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 down to RFB. There's a file there for 25,000. I'm not seeing anything that looks really strange here. Let's see if I see anything wrong here. So we go FBHZ. So one of the things we can do to sort of validate this, maybe, let's put the input over there. We don't need it to be that big. One of the things we could validate here is that when we get a new folder here, instead of doing the adds here, we really don't care about that. Current folders, subfolders. We really don't add. We really don't care about subfolders, right? Subfolders are, yeah, never. We do a for each on the subfolders. Oh yeah, we do. So we keep the names there. That's fine. But what we should do is when we find a new folder, we should say var child folder is a new folder with the new dir name, right? And then we're going to do folders add the new dir name and the child folder. And here when we do cd, we're going to say, so you can go there. All right, we don't need you anymore. We're going to say current folder is folders sub current path. You should never fail. If you fail, I want to know why, right? I definitely want to know why. And you don't. Okay. All right, so I wasn't screwing any of that stuff up. Yeah. And all the names that come out look appropriate. Let's use our old data. Let's make sure all the numbers are right. I'll put you over here. All right, well, let's go to our old data. Directory E is 584. Directory A is 94,853. Directory D is 249,33624. And the root folder is 483811165. Seems reasonable, right? Because E and A are both too small, deleting them would not happen until D and slash are big enough. Between them, the smallest is D. Because we needed 8381165. And I really don't understand how I could be screwing this up that badly. Just so I'm clear, I need 8748071. 8748071. So 8748071. So I need this folder. That is the folder. What if I don't, when I print these out, how about I don't order them by this? Let's order them by name. Order by name, right? So, for example, let's do this. Okay, so that's this, that's this, that's this. Let's also select f dot file sizes. And then when we print this out, we can say, by the way, you were item 3, right? So if I go back up here, so right, so this is this. When we go up one, we didn't add any. When we go up this, we added this. All right. Oh God. I think I understand now. Total space shouldn't be adding total space. It should be adding file sizes of the children. Or not. Wait. Total size. It's got to be something's wrong with our total size calculation, right? Let's see. So we take your file size and we add all the sizes of all of your children. So every leaf is its own size. Right? And if I go up one, my size is me plus the sizes of all of my children. And the no, this is right. Because of subfolders. This is right. Total size of each of our children. That should never not be true, by the way. Right? That should never not be true, right? Okay, good. Because the only way to find a child is that way. So that means we can just do this, which is folders sub folder name dot total size. Let's do this. Yeah, let's get rid of this for a sec. let's print some stuff up in total file sizes, right? Let's do console write line name file sizes. Let's see. File sizes. That's our size, right? So we do result. See if we can see any weirdness in this math. All right. Not really sure why we're trying to find this one, because we're trying to find slash. So we go here. So we have this, and we had none. So again, let's bring out the calculator, right? So if we find all the ones down, so we got 369,281 plus 1,599,361 plus 331667 plus 205,103, right? So that gives me 2.5 million. 1, 2. All right, I'm not clear why that's the case. Let's try this again. What did I mess up? Okay, so we're trying to get to this. All right, let's do this. 1994012. Let's subtract 369,281 because that's a top level. Let's subtract 25370. Right, and then let's subtract 1,599,361 because that's a top level. What's the next top level? That's it. So that's 0. Okay, so that math is correct. How do we have FBHZ, FBHZ? That doesn't seem right, does it? FBHZ, FBHZ. That's weird. Okay. So we have a dir for FBHZ up at the top. We have another one for FBHZ. Wow, really? That's rude. There's a lot of FBHCs. Okay, guess that's normal. All right, I want to run this on the old data, but I'm pretty sure we already know the old data is correct. Right, so slash is 483816, whatever. Let's go look at this again. 48381165. That's because there's 249. Right, so that's because there's 249,33642. 249,33642 and 94853. Right, so that gives us. How did you get that size? Oh, because you have your own. You have your own stuff. 233,52670. There you go. 48,381, 164. Okay, I must have mistyped something. Let's try this again. 48381165 minus yourself 233,52670 minus 249,33642 minus 94853. Oh, 3. I typed 2 instead of 3. That's probably what I did last time too. Okay, so those numbers are correct. And they line up with what we're told over here. E is 584. Find the smallest directory they've deleted which free up enough space in the possible. What is the total size of that directory? What is the total size of that directory? What is the total size of that directory? I'm an idiot. No wonder I've been getting this wrong the whole frickin' time. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Please tell me how dumb I am because I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Target to delete size. You're a long, you're not a string. Holy cow, I'm dumb. That's that. Okay. That's, well, we're on the wrong data, right? We're on the wrong data. That's that. I've been putting the frickin' directory name in there like a moron. Like a moron. I had the right answer, like, 20 minutes ago, but I'm a moron. Which is sometimes what happens. Right? I mean, sometimes that's what happens. All right, input, you can go away. I can't believe that took an hour. That absolutely should not have taken an hour. But if you don't read the question, sometimes it takes an hour. Well, there you go. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I will cry myself to sleep. Not really. I mean, that's the way it goes.